Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Academy. What is the difference between squirrel cage rotor and wound rotor? In both rotor, there is a shaft on which a core is placed. In the outer periphery of the core, there are slots. In squirrel cage rotor, in these slots, copper or aluminum bars are embedded. Like in this particular figure, you see that there are copper bars. Copper bar or aluminum bars are short circuited by the end rings. Why these end rings are needed? Because when there is an induced EMF in the rotor bars, to flow the current, to complete the circuit should be closed. To flow a particular induced current, circuit should be closed, which is closed by these end rings. Hence, end rings are necessary. In squirrel cage rotor, external resistance we are not able to add external resistance because there are no terminals, we are not having any terminals outside the rotor. Without rotor bar and core, it looks like a cage of squirrel. That's why it is known as squirrel cage rotor. And the motor which consists of a squirrel cage rotor is known as squirrel cage induction motor. Whereas in the wound rotor, in the outer periphery, in the slots of the core, three-phase windings are placed, R by B. These three terminals of the three windings are connected to the slip rings, and with the help of the slip ring and the brushes, three terminals are made outside the rotor, in which external resistance, we can add some external resistance, due to which the starting and running performance both can be improved. At the starting, if external resistance are added, starting current decreases and starting torque increases. Whereas in the running condition, if external resistance is added, we could control the speed of the three-phase induction motor. The induction motor, which consists of wound rotor and slip ring, is known as slip ring induction motor. So, in this way, squirrel cage induction motor is robust, maintenance free, less cost, but not good starting torque. Whereas in the wound rotor, it is costly, it needs some maintenance, but it provides high starting torque as well as easy speed control. These are the differences between the squirrel cage rotor and wound rotor. Thank you so much.